Hi there, my name is Silvia. I'm 19 years old and I'm studying in Manuel Rosario Zapata. I'm in fourth semester of preschool education career. This week's space was made for English subject, and I think that learning English as a second language is important. First, because Mexicali is in border with the USA, so when I go shopping or I travel to other places, I can talk to other people or ask for help. Second, because English is the most commonly language. Many people of other countries speak English, so I can travel to other countries and communicate with them. Third, it's because I can get the latest information about many topics like education or science. And fourth, when I graduate, I can find work in private or public schools like English teacher, and that's it. Thank you. Bye.